Island is a small part in the southern Gulf Islands of British Columbia. It is home to around 1,000 people and cultivates a large community of artists. Because of its expansive forests and sandy beaches, readily available resources such as shells or driftwood are commonly found in art pieces. It takes a certain type of dedication to pursue the arts, especially on such a secluded island. So why do people choose art?
Hi, I'm Christine Weber, and I'm a potter here on Main Island.
My name is Kim Coral, and I'm also a potter. Together, we make up Main Island Playworks.
I've got lots of creative people in my family, lots of artists, sort of one generation away. But I definitely didn't think that was something that I could do. But I've always really admired my grandma and her potting. She had a little log cabin up in the woods, and there was a big potbelly stove in it. And my grandpa had his workshop on one side, and her pottery was on the other. I would walk down, as a kid, and hang out, and it's pretty great.
50% of Maine's residents consider themselves artists. So what inspires all of them to continue creating?
I think we're just so inspired by the surroundings that we live in. And I'm inspired by music, so there's a lot of music on the island as well. And the nature, the ocean, the wildlife, the trees.
I am Carol Welch. I'm a landscape painter. I've been painting since I was 14 years old. My main source of inspiration is nature. It's absolutely my primary inspiration.
But what makes Maine special? Is there a factor that sets apart the art of Main Island from anywhere else?
Here, I feel like people are really showing you who they are and what they make.
I think so. I think artists feel comfortable coming here. I know I did as an artist, coming from Calgary to here. Yeah, you feel very comfortable and safe, that you can be in a creative space and take risks and that kind of thing.
Well, I think I try and use everything that's around me, like at the beach, like the rocks and the driftwood, and I use a lot of moss in my stuff. So anything that's really around me in nature, I try and use.
I love the art community here, and it has a very rural feel, which I am very comfortable with. So.
I've always wanted to live on a farm on a Gulf island, and Maine is the perfect place. When I live on a farm, I get to pot here. It's a small community, very supportive. It's great.